Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tech products. In today's video, we'll be comparing two network management products from TP-Link. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Both of these products have centralized management for a network. However, the Omada hardware controller can manage up to 100 Omada devices, while the TL-SG2008P can integrate with Omada SDN to manage multiple network devices with control options offered. For standalone mode, the TL-SG2008P applies. Both products have remote cloud access for centralized cloud management. The Omada hardware controller has an easy-to-use dashboard, making it simpler to monitor and maintain, while the TL-SG2008P has advanced security features and features to prioritize traffic for high-quality data transmission. The Omada hardware controller is priced at $100 US, while the TL-SG2008P is priced at $89 US. And that brings us to the end of our comparison. Both products have their unique features and advantages, depending on your network management needs. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content.